What's that on your butt? Did you get your period? What is that? You got diaper on? You got diaper on?
Time to wash the sheets today, baby. I have to take it off. Yes, I have to wash the sheets. They're dirty. Come on. Mika, I have to wash. Mika, I have to wash them. Get down. Come on. Come on, Mika. Mika, they're dirty.
Ow!
Did you poop on the pool deck? Did you poop on the pool deck? Come here. Come. Come here. Blue. Don't you dare get in that pool. Blue. Get over here. Get out of the pool. Blue. You gotta come out sometime, buddy. Come on. Come here. Come here. Come here.
Siéntate. Do you speak Spanish? Oh my god, you speak Spanish, boy!
This is my hair wet, a little bit, but not wet at all. So I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like when it's wet. This is my hair wet.
Oh my god, Ronnie.
White Jade, white Porsche, white wrist, white horse, high bitch, high bitch.
That's alright.
I don't know what you heard about me.
What is this?
Zip? Who's your best friend? Is it Zavala? Who's your best friend?
What? What do you think you're doing? No. No. No.
So I want you to show your fans how human-like you are. So I want you to get up, and then I want you to stretch for them. And when you stretch, then I want you to walk 2 paces towards me, and then sit down. Good job. Good job. But when you sit down, I want you to sniff my hand. And afterwards, with your left hand, I want you to give me a high five, but I want you to miss. Good stuff. Good job. Good job. Then with your right hand, I want you to try to hit it 4 times, okay? Good job.